Product images on mobile are taking up too much space and are hard to view? I'll show you how to turn them into a neat, super intuitive carousel. And welcome back to the Learn with GemPages video series. Let's start exploring how to do this with incredibly simple steps. Step 1. Open the GemPages dashboard and select the product page you want to edit. Step 2. Click on the following icon to switch to the mobile editor section. Step 3. In Product Images, open the Settings tab. Step 4. Navigate to Layout. Here you can choose the display layout you prefer for your product images. Step 5. Select Featured Only, and your product images will instantly turn into a slideshow. In addition, I'll make a few basic adjustments to ensure the display is optimized for your customers and looks more professional. Step 6. After completing all the steps, don't forget to hit Save and publish your page. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any new tutorials from Learn with GemPages. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.